Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to show you how to run Hermes with Cerebras so that you can enjoy a free, open source, and super fast Hermes. So I know some of you guys said the Hermes is very slow and Hermes is very token consuming, so that this video should help. So that being said, let's get started. So if you have not heard of Cerebras, so it's a super fast inferencing platform similar to Grok. So you can see from the demonstration here. So if you use Cerebras, so the inference cost is very low comparing to the regular GPUs, and also the speed is super fast, especially you use GLN, QN, and also Llama OpenAI models, for example. And you can see that for the GLM 4.7, it's going to be 1000 tokens per second, and for the QN3, it's going to be 1400 tokens per second, super fast. For the OpenAI OSS-GPT is actually 3000 tokens per second, super fast when compared to other providers. So they also made a comparison between the GLM 4.7 and also Claude 4.5 Sonnet. So you can see that the coding ability for GLM is actually better than Claude 4.5, slightly better. And for the output speed, you can see that it 1000 tokens compared to 97 tokens per second. So dramatic difference. And for the cost, you can see that the GLM is actually lower than the Claude 4.5 Sonnet. So that being said, Cerebras is probably the fastest as of now. So that you can also try this using their free tier. So we're going to demo that in a little bit. But I think this is very good for specifically for Hermes testing and to just try out different features, because if you use Ollama, if you use other models, as I mentioned earlier, you could have experienced some of the slowness problem and also the cost problem. So Cerebras free tier is going to really help. And if you look at other features, it says the Cerebras is actually 70 times faster than leading GPUs, and also it has high throughput, low cost, and leading open source models. So that being said, if you have not registered Cerebras, you can just go to their registration page and also create a free account. So you can see that it also have different models for the GPT, Llama 3.1, QN3, and GLM 4.7. Because of the QN3 and GLM is so popular right now, so it's probably reduced the rate limit. So if you want to try this out, just create an account and also create an API key, and you're free to go. So, but this Cerebras is not directly able to be integrated to Hermes, so you need to make some changes. And so change would be because the Cerebras does not support thinking mode. So if you just say, okay, I want to use the Cerebras API directly into the Hermes, you will have some problems. And if you just config the Hermes configurations, you will still probably have some problems. And the best way is to use Light LLM as a proxy to talk to Cerebras API. So if you have not seen my previous videos how to set up the Light LLM, feel free to check that out. But once you set that up, you just have to add the Cerebras models to the models list, and that's it. And then you can add the Cerebras APIs to the Hermes configuration, and you can see in here in the configurations, all you have to do is make sure that you set the base URL to the backend as the Light LLM, and then you can set a provider name, which is use Ollama or other names that you prefer, and the default is the GLM 4.7. So that's it. So after you set this up, you can go ahead using the Hermes WebUI to test it. We have another tutorial to show you guys how to set up the Hermes WebUI. So we'll skip that in this tutorial. But once you set that up, you can directly test Hermes in the WebUI. And let's try this out. For simple testing, you can just say hello and just feel that how quick this is. So this is actually very fast, really, really fast. As you can see that if you actually use Ollama models, you can see that the difference. But this is really fast. So then you can see, okay, can you show me or what skills and tools do you have? And also you can see the activities, right? You can see all the different process if they actually in process. So you can also say, okay, can you create a landing page for Hermes agent? Then you can directly go to the workspace to check it out. You do not have to set up a virtual server or anything like that. This is very convenient in the web UI. I just click on it, you can see the result. So super nice, you can see that. It's very premium feeling. So really good job. And you can also try many other things. And then because everything will be sitting in the workspace, so it's very convenient to check it out. So we also create another one before the recording. So you can see that Cerebras also create a landing page for the same purpose. You can see that's very good. The quality is awesome. So, and you can also try other things or try other skills. It's very convenient. You just type in it. Also, if you want to try the Kanban dashboard, it's also available. You can go to Kanban and also just start a task or just start a triage. So then you can start testing the Cerebras with the Hermes. So hopefully it's helpful. And if you did like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment. If you have any questions, thank you so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one.